Hello and welcome. My name is Vukile. Welcome to the lick and riff section. I'm gonna give you another riff, another lick in octaves. There's so many licks in octaves, especially in soukous and many other types of music as well. You have licks and riffs in octaves. So here is that lick. That's how it goes. It can be an intro. Now this lick using one string. I'm still in the key of G. This is my G here on the 12th fret, string number 3, and so I'm going. That's how it goes without octaves. Now the notes I'm hitting are a 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So those are the degrees. Degrees 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now the octaves, like I told you, are this way. You hold them this way. My first finger on fret number 12, string number 3, and the flat of the finger is muting that, so that if I try to ring, it doesn't ring very well. And the pinky is holding on to fret number 15, string number 1, like that. So I go. Okay, so that's the lick there. Alright, that is the lick there. And what might happen with that lick, if you want to get to know it a bit, just use it. Try to play it under different tempo conditions. You can speed up the lick and find out how you can what you can get from there. Now the requirements of this lick as well is to have your sound contrast between the lead guitar and the rhythm guitar. I would say all licks, that if you want your licks to stand out, that's what you're going to do. And the other thing that I want to mention here is the left hand posture. When you're playing octaves, your left hand must be free to move, very free. This thumb would actually be holding, you would have something like that, it's not glowing like that, you don't have that, because if you do that, you're gone, man. You end up playing this. Okay, let the palm of the right hand mute there and let it move there as you go, so that's how you hold your guitar there. And you must make sure the guitar is supported by the strap, so that you don't lose some of your energy trying to hold on to the guitar, so that it doesn't tip over. Okay, so that's the left hand technique, and the right hand technique is thumb and first finger, and then this here mutes the strings. Okay, those are the techniques. You can even, after that, you can even mute that so that it doesn't go. But I have put an effect there, an echo, so that it goes on and on in the speaker, that you can hear that. You can hear that. So that's very beautiful. Now this is the lick. That's the lick there, and make sure you try to transpose this lick to other keys. And in fact, all these keys that are these licks that I'm giving you, you can transpose them to other keys. And I'm also gonna show you in some coming up videos how you can find a more suitable, or the most suitable place to play that lick, because any note that you can play, you can be using unisons. If I go the next unison of that, which means I can play this lick here. A bit more difficult. You can hear that. Now I run out of frets here because this note here is too, the fourth here is too, I don't have a fourth on the second string there. So that's one reason you might want to stay on this position rather than go to this position. Okay, now I'll show you some licks which can be played on many places as well. So I want to thank you very much for this lick. Just to summarize, I've been playing this, I've just played to you this lick, and it's on this 12th fret string number 3 and 15th fret string number 1, and it's playing the degrees 1, 2, 3 and 4. So that's it. You can put some vibrato as well. That's another thing, and that's another addition that you can put there. But let's just stick to what I've just taught in the beginning, and you can also make sure you know how to play the lick, and then you can add some techniques. Thank you very much. Meet you in the next lick.